How to change your Instagram username. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to change your Instagram username. The first step is to open the Instagram application on your device. Once you land on the home page, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. On this page, tap on the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. On the Settings and Activity page, scroll down slowly until you see the section named Account Center, and then tap on it. Once you are on the Account Center page, you will see several options that you can use to manage your connected accounts. From these, tap on Profiles. On the Profiles page, if you have multiple accounts connected, you will see them listed. Select the profile you want to change the username for by tapping on it. After tapping, you will land on the Profile Details page. From here, tap on the option named Username. On this page, you will see a text box with your current username already filled in. Delete the old username and enter the new username you want. If the username you choose is available, Instagram will allow you to save it. If it's already taken, you will need to try another until you find one that works. Once you have entered the desired username, save the changes by tapping on the Save or Checkmark option. After saving, your new username will be applied immediately, and others will see it when they visit your profile. This process is quick and easy, but make sure you choose a username that you like because frequent changes may confuse your followers. I hope this tutorial has helped you successfully change your Instagram username. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to change your Instagram username.